Today I'm going to start a project that I've always wanted to do, and that's to build a go-kart. Now, I'm going to build an electric one because it's easier to maintain and it's better for the environment. Here I have a gasoline go-kart frame. This I got on the Facebook Marketplace for around $165. Now, to anyone who wants to build a go-kart, I would recommend buying a used frame because buying all the parts brand new costs a lot of money. Now, although this go-kart frame looks pretty solid as it stands, it still has a lot of issues. Now, for instance, one of the biggest issues I've seen with this go-kart is the rims and the tires. Now, this go-kart has an assortment of different sized rims. So, when you're driving, one of the tires is off the ground, still spinning when you stop. Also, along with this, the seat has some issues, which I will be fixing in this video as well. I can start working on the tires and rims. I have all 4 brand new tires for this go-kart, but the rims are a little bit different. 2 of the rims on this go-kart are good and 2 of them are bad. The good ones are 6-inch, which I'm going to keep with. And the other ones is a 5-inch and a 7-inch, so I'm going to be replacing those. I'm going to be taking the good rims and putting them on new tires. And I already have 2 of these good 6-inch rim tires put on the old bad ones. I just sanded the whole entire frame because there were some rusty spots. Unfortunately, this left a lot of paint chips, so I'm just going to respray the whole thing in a matte black. The only problem with this is that now I have to strip down the part and basically undo all the work I just did. I'm not going to make you guys watch that, so the next clip you'll see is when I'm actually painting the frame. good. And of course, I did do a second coat, but I didn't feel the need to film that. And we also added a triangular dashboard, which will be meant to later hold all my controls once we get the motor, battery, and do the wiring. And that will be done in the next video, so stay tuned for that video, and that will probably be more helpful to those of you who want to build your own electric go-kart, since that's the most complex part of the build. This video was mainly meant to just fix up the frame, that way I'd be ready to do the hard stuff in the next video. So, of course, I will link all of my parts that I used down in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, please leave a like, and I would really appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks.